Hey everyone, welcome to this in-depth review of Jogg AI, the game-changing tool that's taking video creation to the next level. Whether you are an e-commerce seller, content creator, or just someone looking to transform plain URLs into a stunning video ads, this tutorial has you covered. I will show you how Jogg AI lets you turn any web page or product link into a professional video in seconds, customize every detail with its intuitive editor and templates, create eye-catching video tailored for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more. It's fast, easy to use, and powered by cutting-edge AI. Stick around as I take you step by step through everything Jogg AI has to offer, plus some pro tips to get the most out of it. Let's get started. First step is easy. Head over to Jogg AI and sign in using your Google or email account. Okay. Once you logged in, you will see the dashboard full of creative tools. So let's jump straight to the feature we will be using, the URL to video ad maker. Okay. So here's where all the magic happens. Copy the URL of the product you want to do showcase. Okay, so I don't know, for example, in this case, I'll be using this particular headset, gaming headset. Okay, but if you want, you can go ahead and choose any product you wish. You can integrate with Shopify, Etsy, eBay, and others. Okay, so it's a platform which will covers it all, right? So, but for this purpose of this video, I'll just go ahead and use this particular product, right? Okay, so now the platform once you put this URL inside it, okay, will analyze that for you. All right, so the platform will analyze the page, and you automatically import all the images, videos, and descriptions from the product page, like it's shown right here. All right, so you can review it, the imported assets, and deselect any duplicates or items you don't like for example this particular one. It can be there, that I don't mind. Once you are happy with the selection, click confirm to move forward. All right. So let's say that I think that's all what I want to go. And there we go. The next stage. Okay. Now it's time to personalize. Okay. So it's all the products description is here. Okay. You got your URL here, product name. You can rename it if you want to do so. You can add your additional media. You can add your the target audience here. And once everything is ready, you can choose the platform you want to use this video to be used on. Okay, and the length of the video. All right, and then once you are happy with it, okay, you just go ahead and click next. Okay. So now it's time to personalize. Okay, the platform will generate the product description, which you can edit, obviously, and we're gonna show it in a second. And you can also upload your own videos if needed, and so on and so forth. Okay, so here are the scripts, okay, which we're gonna use it. Either you can choose between discovery, top 3 reasons, story time, light marketing. Okay, top 3 reasons, absolutely no problem at all. And I think I'll be happy with it. All right, so let's go and click next. Okay. So now what we need to do is choose the template. Okay, so we can start with the AI or select from template library. All right, I'm be using the template library in this particular case because I want to show you what's available. Okay, so once you're gonna see all those templates, I'm pretty sure you'll find something which is quite interesting for you guys. Okay, so you don't have to create your own template from scratch. There are some template number of those templates available already here. So let's say that we want to use this particular product and showcase that on our Black Friday promotions. All right, so let's go ahead and click on this one, and let's play the render video. Okay, each video costs you 1 credit. And when it comes to the credits and the pricing, in this particular time, I just want to jump quickly into the AppSumo deal. Here we go. It's a deal right now on AppSumo, as we all know, or maybe majority of you guys know. And for somebody who doesn't know, AppSumo is offering lifetime deals. So you're paying once off, for example, for this tier one, $79, and you'll be using that particular product forever as long as it exists. Okay, and this product, I just want to show you what's covered in this tier one, and will be renewed on a monthly basis. So per month, you will forever, you got, as long as this Jogg AI is in existence, you get 30 credits, which means you can create 30 videos, 1 minute video. Okay, it's a maximum, and avatars, 3 avatars per month. Okay, for tier two, $199. For tier three, $449. Okay, and everything has been increased accordingly. So this is a AppSumo deal. let's go back to our Jogg AI video ad creation, and let's go and submit. All right. So now the magic is start happening. Okay. It shouldn't take long. And previous occasions when I was creating the other videos, it took about a minute. So I think within the minute we should be ready to go and move on. Okay. Just okay, guys, it's ready now. It took about a minute, as I said, like, okay, and the results are incredible. Okay, you can preview the video, so let's go and preview it right now.
Looking for a versatile gaming headset? Meet the Banggood G9000. Enjoy immersive 3D stereo sound with powerful 40mm neodymium drivers. Stay comfortable during long sessions with breathable memory protein earmuffs. Communicate clearly with a noise-canceling microphone and adjustable design.
There we go. So, guys, I think this video is quite amazing because it came up within the minute. Okay, all the settings took us another minute to do. Okay, and if you want to do it, you can go ahead and do some edits if you need it. So if you want to do different vibes, swap templates or tweak a script, you go. It's all easy to do. Okay, need to make any changes, just go ahead and just let's say that we want to go and do some amendments on it. All right, so we go and do edit as new. So now where we are, we're gonna be using this editing tool. As you can imagine, guys, these editing tools are very similar those days. So they are looking very, very similar. Okay, you need to do changes, just use the intuitive to editor. Okay, you can update the text, you can add the stickers, you can add emojis or subtitles, adjust background music or transitions. Okay, you can also swap out imported images. All right, so or upload additional assets to ensure the video perfectly represents your product. So once you are satisfied with everything, you can download the video and start sharing it across all your e-commerce platforms and social media channels, whether it's product showcase, an ad, or a professional reel to content, and your content will stand out. I think that's obvious. Okay, it's this tool is quite amazing because, as I said, like it's fully editable. You can go ahead and change any bits of pieces. This particular one you can go and change the assets. You can go ahead and change, let's say that you want to that this person will be saying something different. You can also do that. You can go and change the layouts. The layouts will be exactly the way like you like it. Okay, you can do the add title, subtitles. Like I said, it's everything is fully customized. What you also can do here, you can go ahead and change your avatar. Let's say that you want to do the split test of your ad, okay, and you want to do some sort of three variations of it. Okay, so let's say that this person will be on the variation number one, the other person will be on variation number two, and the third person will be on the variation number four. Okay, number three. Okay, you can do the four, or you can do the five, anything. Okay, so let's say that you want to go ahead and change the avatar. You by simply clicking on it, all right, the avatar would change automatically and all be applied to every single bits of pieces on your video. All right, so you don't have to do anything. Look, all this change has been made automatically to the whole app. Okay, so guys, I think that's an amazing tool. As I said, Joe will be leaving the link inside the description to this AppSumo amazing deal right now. Okay, you go ahead and check it out yourself. You can also try it for free. There is a 3 credits available for you to you can start creating. Okay, so I think that's it. Creating stunning professional quality videos has never been easier. Okay, with Jogg AI, you can go from URL to ready share video in minutes. Okay, you got this. So you started with this, and you just right after a minute, you got you fully functional ad. Right? I think it's quite amazing. Okay, so give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials like this. See you next time.